When you go to TinkerCAD for first time, you can set it in English so you can follow better the explanations, and then you can join if you don't have an account. You just go here and create a personal account. Since I have one already, I just go to sign in. I do it here. Just write my email and my password. Now to do this exercise, we go to circuits first and then to create a new circuit. We can call this project Blink. Now we can find the components here. We can go to all of them and then find an Arduino board. You can click. Once you have the Arduino here, there's something else that you can do, which is to program it. You click here on code. You will see that the Arduino comes with a code by default by clicking on Start Simulation. As you can see, this little LED, which is connected to the 13 pin, is flashing because it's turned on. Wait 1 second, turn off, wait 1 second, and this code is repeated once and again. Everything that you put here is repeated forever. Now you can play with it a little bit, change it by the time. For example, with this blinking we can make it faster. I like it more in milliseconds. As soon as you change a little bit the code, you see that the simulation stops. We can put, for example, 200 milliseconds on, 200 milliseconds off. Start the simulation and see that this time it flashes much faster, 5 times faster. Now we are going to learn what is notation for. Here you got all the blocks that you can add to your code, and you can move from one type to another here. So first we are going to learn the easiest ones, which is the 2-1 here. This block is normally used just to describe what is your code about. So for example, here we can write that it make the built-in LED to blink. And if you need some more comments, you can add comments, for example, here in the middle, and explain what you're doing here. Okay, for example, once it has been on, it is turned off, for example. And finally, we are going to explain today as well what are variable force, or how to use variable here in TinkerCAD circuits. So we go to variable and we can create a new one. For example, we can call it time. Now we got the variable kind that we can use it. For example, imagine that you want to change this and this at the same time. Alright, so you change the value for a variable, and then you can set the variable to whatever you want. For example, this time could be 500. So at the end, you're going to wait a half a second here and a half a second here, because you say that every time that you see time, you're going to put this number here and you're going to put this number here. So this is the first exercise. It's quite easy. I hope you are understanding. Thanks for your attention.